Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll tell you how you can sign up on Pocket 52 website and how you can complete the deposit procedure easily. So for that I'll just click on this link, Pocket 52 Live. I have the link handy with me. After that, here is a mobile number option. I'll just enter one mobile number on which I want to receive the OTP. I'll just click on request OTP. OTP will come to my mobile, so they are requesting the OTP. Yeah, you can see they have sent the OTP to my mobile. I'll just enter the OTP and I'll just do the next step after that. So I'm entering the OTP right now. I'll just click on verify OTP. Right, so my OTP is verified. They are asking me to enter one username. I'm entering one username. I'm entering one email ID. I'm just selecting some password. I'll just do that. Right, fine. You just need to select that you are not residing in Assam, Nagaland, Orissa, Sikkim, Telangana or Gujarat, and also you are above 18 years old and you agree to Pocket 52's terms and condition. I'll just enter the password and I'll just show you the final steps. So I have entered my password, username, the state and other things. I'll just click on sign up. So I'm signing up right now on the application, on the website actually. So this is done. I think this is the basic part. Before that, before going to deposit, just click on finish KYC. You will just get one unverified email and PAN. Just click on verify now on email. A OTP will go on your email ID. Just enter that OTP and click on submit. The email will verify. Right, I'll just enter my OTP. So I'll enter the OTP now. I'll just click on submit. Yeah, okay, just a second. I'll just verify my email again. I think there is some issue. Actually guys, I was entering the wrong OTP. That's why I was unable to verify my mail. So my email is verified right now. You can see it out here. I was entering the mobile number OTP actually. So I just entered the Gmail one and my ID is verified right now. Whenever you are entering the OTPs, make sure that you do it in the specified time period. Otherwise, if the OTP expires, it will create an issue. So again, here is a PAN card. You can upload the PAN card if you want. Yeah, otherwise you can do it later. I'll do it later for as of now. So I'll just go to deposit. I'll just click on deposit. Here it is showing some kind of yeah, complete level 2 KYC and get rupees 100 free. Start generating pocket coins post email verification. Click on finish KYC. So if you finish your KYC, like if you upload your PAN card, you will get rupees 100 free from Pocket 52 for in-game money, which you can use as like as in play money, which you can use in like playing the games or instant play tournaments or small cash tables etc. So I'll just click on deposit as of now. So here is the option of deposit. I'll just click on deposit. I'll deposit rupees 100. After that I'll just enter a code welcome. I'll just do the payment. So I think the promo code is not applicable as I think I have applied already the deposit part. So I'll just click on make deposit. I'll just click on make deposit. You can do the deposit by card, net banking, wallet, UPI, pay later or something kind of stuff. I'll just do it via my card. I'll just enter all the card details and I do the payment and I'll just get back to you guys at the final page. Meet you at the final page. So I have entered the OTP. I'll just click on pay 100. I'm just verifying the OTP right now. So yeah, you can see it out there. User money deposit 2:27:29 p.m. The success, the amount is 100. Now I can like play the games I want. Like I can click on instant play. Alright, so once I click on instant play, it will open me a new, like it's yeah, here you can see there are cash games, there are tournaments. Just a second, I can see here you can see the cash games as a micro ringers, one micro ringers, buy in 2500 tournaments are there, and I'll hold them tournaments are there. 44 rupees late registration is going on. There is this tournament snacks 25k, so 5 GTD. You can just participate in any of the tournament you want. I'll just do on any of these. I'll just do on let's say I just registered on snacks one. Price pool buy-in is rupees 33. Price pool is rupees 1650. Starting stack is 2500 and such that you can just click on register. uh, Rupees 3. You just need to, before joining the table, you just need to transfer the wallet money to your poker money. Just a second, I'll just show you how you can do that. This is the amount, so I'll just click on transfer. So once I click on transfer, what happens is I want to transfer this my user money to poker money. So once I click on top up, so you can see that my poker money is topped up. I'll just click on instant play. Just make sure this, I'm just explaining these things one by one so that you guys can understand everything. Right, 100 is my wallet money. I'll just click on tournaments. I want to play NLH. I'll just do any buy in. Let's say I just do buy in of this buy in 22-1. I'll just click on register. Now you can see, I'll just click, once I click on register, here you can see I can do the buy in rupees 2 plus 20 buy in. I'll just click on register right now. So once I click on register, it shows success. The tournament starts in something in 30 minutes. So I'll just click on the tournament. The prices are also mentioned here. The prize pool is 1000 rupees, buy-ins 22, starting stack is 200, right? So you can do it like that. So I hope you guys have understood the procedure. Regarding the OTP one, just make sure that you enter it in time, otherwise it will expire. And obviously you can participate in the tournaments like this. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel.